Hey everyone, welcome back. I have come up with this practice session so that it's easier for you to start practicing in English with me. We all know practice is very important. Whatever theory we know, if we master that also, it will not help. If we have to speak English fluently and confidently, we have to practice. And we have to practice on real life situations, on real life conversations. That is very important. Picking up any topic and speaking on it will not help, right? We write essay on topics, but those are theoretical topics. So here what I do is I pick up conversational topics from conversations, daily life conversations, and I speak on it. I choose topics which are very much in debate or which very much arises in every conversation, so that if we practice on these real life situations, real life conversational topics, it will be easier for us to start speaking on it in English with others. So if you practice every single day, it will be much easier for you to go out and speak on it with others as well. So that is my idea of coming up with this conversational sessions or practice sessions. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. And if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to press the notification icon. Now, today's topic is very interesting, guys. It's about our personality development or our skill development. So we always feel that for a successful career we need some skill sets, we need some personality development or grooming in ourselves so that we achieve success in our career, or we get into a successful career or a right career, right? This is something which we always think about and we always discuss with people, right? We want to know what is happening in the world, what we can do so that we can stay in competition or stay in the industry with an upper edge, right? So we continuously search for these ideas or these you know advices which will help us in our career growth or keep us ahead of the competition. So today I'm going to talk about 7 personal development skills which will help you to improve your career. And these are personal development skills, what skills you need to develop in yourself so that you can grow in your career or improve your career. And these are very simple, very basic. We all have these skill sets. We need to just brush it up and we need to project it. Okay, so that our managers, our team or colleagues notices that. That's it. The first and the foremost is, of course, communication skills, which I every single day speak about, which I every single day take initiative for you to get started with, right? So communication skills is something which is very important in your career. And communication skills, of course, means speaking in English. The language should be English because our communication channel or the language of communication which we use in offices or in our professional setup is English, is mostly English, right? So we have to brush up our English communication skills, but it doesn't mean that you have to be very fluent and very fast in speaking English. That doesn't mean. Professional English or English which is used in a professional environment should be like you should know that much that you should be able to translate your ideas to the other person and you should understand the other person well. There should not be any miscommunication out of it just because you don't understand the language. Okay, so you have to be fluent enough to understand the other person well and to express yourself or your ideas well. Okay, so that is communication skills. And you have to be very clear in your thoughts, what you are doing, what you want to do, and what you want to say. Okay, so that is all about communication skills and how to give interviews, how to talk to people properly in a good way, in a positive way. So these are all included in communication skills. How you talk to people, how well you're able to translate your ideas, how well you're able to communicate a negative thing. Okay, this all comprises of communication skills. There are lots of things to learn in communication skills when you are in a professional environment, and I'm going to talk about all of it in later in other sessions as well, because it is very important for your career and your growth. So that is why I'm going to take up those topics as well later. Okay, so this is about communication skills. So you should know how to talk in a professional environment and how to communicate in a professional environment, right? You can't say just anything to anybody there. You can't just say no to everything. So there are lots of ways you have to communicate all these ideas. So that is what communication skills is. So you need to develop that communication skill. Second one is time management. Of course, time management is very important because we all have timelines or deadlines. We need to finish our task within the deadline. So we should have the skill to schedule our task, to prioritize our task, and to complete it on time, right? Whatever queries, whatever things are there, you need to ask beforehand so that your task doesn't get delayed. So you should know how to prioritize your task, how to schedule your task, and how to work on it so that you can complete it on time. So that is what time management is, and it is very much required and very much essential in our professional lives to grow in our career. So we have to take care of this. Third one is leadership skills. Now, leadership skills doesn't mean that you have to lead the team or you have to be a leader there, everybody should listen to you. No, this is not leadership skills. Leadership skills means you need to know how to solve a problem, how to work with a team, how to help people, right? How to get everybody, how to bind everybody together. So these are leadership skills. You don't need to lead a team, you don't need to be a leader, you don't need to think that everybody should listen to you. No, it's just that you have to make sure that whatever task is given, you can help everybody, you can motivate everybody, you can solve their problems, you can bind them all together so that the team whole, everybody works together in a team. So these skills are required and we all have this, right? We can, if we have done something, we can help others also, right? We can go and ask for help also, we can help others also, we can motivate others also. If somebody is feeling low, if somebody is not feeling good, if somebody is new in the team, right? So these things we need to develop, guys, to grow in our careers. The fourth one is adaptability. It is very important everywhere. Adaptability means can adapt in a new environment or adapt to changes, settle in changes, right? When there's a change or new project or new company or new environment or new colleagues or new manager or new team, then we need to know how to adjust with them, right? If you switch a job, you need to know how you can adjust. So basically we need to adapt in a new environment or with new challenges, new team and everything. So we need to cope up with that, right? We all should be ready for that, basically. Fifth one is networking opportunities. Of course, networking is very important nowadays. If you are in a career, if you want to get into a job, you have to start networking right away. So networking is very important. If you are in a company, there are lots of groups, there are lots of people. You can go and talk to different teams, different people and your colleagues so that you get to know what is happening across your office or across the teams and in the industry. Okay, so you have to go ahead and start networking. What it will help you? It will help you in new opportunities, new jobs, mentorship, of course your career growth also. You never know if there is some other position in another team and you can go and join them, right? You can grab that opportunity. You can get to, if you want to know something new or learn something new, you can get a mentor there, right? You can start working with that person on this new skill. So n number of things we gain by networking. So that is very important. Sixth one is emotional intelligence. Now we all are emotional. We all get emotional at times, right? If there is a lot of pressure on us or if there is something else also, if there's some family problem or anything, we are disturbed with some reason, so we get emotional, we tend to get carried away, right? So we need to know how to control our emotions so that it doesn't hamper the teamwork and conflicts also. We can have conflicts with people, but we need to control our emotions. We need to understand everybody. We need to be empathetic to everybody. We don't need to be selfish at that point of time. We should think about ourselves and the others also when we are working in a team. So we need to know conflict management. We need to know how to work in a team, how to think like others, empathize with others, and control our emotions. So this is what emotional intelligence is. If you have a control on it, definitely you are going to grow in your career. Definitely. The last and the most important one is continuous learning. Your learning process should not stop. Like in English, as I say, I still practice English speaking. I still practice English or speaking in English every single day. Before my lectures, before anything I undertake, I take up some time to practice first, right? To collect the ideas, to practice, to speak in front of the mirror or speak in front of the camera so that I get that confidence, right? It gives me a lot of confidence and motivates me. Okay, so that is why you have to keep on learning. When you are in a career, when you are working on a skill set, you need to keep on learning. You need to get certifications, you can attend workshops, you can attend seminars, you enroll for courses, full-time, part-time, online courses, offline courses. There are lots of things available in the market, right? You can take out some time to start doing that along with your career, along with your job. You have to take out time, guys. If you are interested in something, if you want to learn something, if you want to grow in your career, you have to do certifications, you have to do some online course, you have to get enrolled in any classroom or offline or online programs or any certification or workshop or seminars to enhance your skills, to enhance your knowledge and to grow in your career. So guys, these were the 7 personal development skills which we all require to excel in our careers, to excel in whatever we undertake. It's not necessary that this is suitable for a particular career. It is for everybody. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are into, you have to have these personality or personal skills so that you can grow in your field, right? So this is all about the topic, guys. I just try to take up simple topics. I try to take up topics which can help you in speaking as well and otherwise as well, in your career as well, so that you get to know new things every day. Okay, it will enhance your knowledge also, it will enhance your skill sets as well. So we all talk about all these things with people, right? When we want to get into a career, if we want to grow in our career, we definitely seek advices, right? So that is why I thought of coming up with this topic as well, so that it's easier for you to learn new things. My language is very simple, very easy. You can also put your thoughts, you can also come up with your own thoughts and start speaking on it. If you feel there is some other skills also which are required, you can talk about it, right? So what you can do here is you can speak with me, repeat after me, shadow with me, take my idea and speak on it. Have your own ideas and start speaking. Switch on your video cam, switch on your audio recorder and you can start speaking on it. And you can correct yourself also. Try twice or thrice, speaking for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and then you will see the difference. And you have to do this exercise at least for a month continuously to see a big difference. Right? Of course, this is going to help you a lot in your speaking skills. So guys, follow my advice, keep watching, keep speaking, keep practicing and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye.